So now my friends, we have created this demo video for you, okay, which is this one with the complete audio, okay. Beauty, tech, or any other area. So you can see this was the video which we have created. So ChatGPT has given a script. With the script, we have converted it into audio, and then we have converted to video. So you can use any one, like we have used, black background, but you can use whatever you want, okay. So now we have video ready. Now we just need to add graphics to make this video look amazing. That's it. Okay. So now for this, we will going to use one free tool. It also has a paid version as well. So you just need to type my dash link dot in slash Canva, CNVA Canva. Okay. Everything is small. Click on enter, and then you will come up here, and you can just see that they also have some free plans as well. Okay, so you can just go and create your Canva account. So it's totally free as well, but in future it may ask for charge. So just click on see prices. Okay. Oops. So here you can see Canva is free for per year. You don't have to pay any time, but they also have a pro version as well. So it's totally up to you. For whatever you want to go with that, you can go with that, but you can also go and start with the free trial. You will going to get 30 days free trial as well. Okay, so you can just click on continue to Canva, just put your details and everything, but it's totally up to you if you want to go with free. But if you want to get to pro, they will not going to charge. They will going to give you only 30 days free trial. So you can even try Canva Pro. If you want to create amazing video, then you can cancel it. Okay, then they will not be able to charge you. So you can just take the complete benefit of using Canva Pro for 30 days. So it's totally up to you. But after you will do sign up, okay, then you will come to the Canva dashboard. It will going to look something like this. Okay, and now here you will see the option of videos here at top, videos, and here you will see the option of YouTube video, which you can see up here. Okay, so click on this option. Now here we will going to put the graphics on the video which we have created. So here we have this demo video, right? So we will just go to upload file, and then here we will have this demo video, right? So we will going to upload this video here, and this is your video. Now you just need to right click and click on set video as a background. Okay, okay, so it has done. Now here you have to add all the graphics. For example, if you play hi everyone, hi everyone, okay, so you can just go to elements and you can just search for hi. Okay, so you can just add this graphic. You can see here we have plenty of graphics. Hello, this one. Okay, hello, like this. Very simple. You can use your creative and you can just do very amazing thing. And this is how you can see under the uploads, we create plenty of videos for our clients, our customers, and we use the same Canva tool. Okay, and you can just drag it here like this. If you want, you can even add some text as well. Just go here, go and select this text. For an example, you can just make it big like this, and here you can write make money with affiliate marketing, like this. Okay, just select it completely, bold it. You can even change the color to white. Very simple. Okay, you can even make it to left align like this. Make money with affiliate marketing. You can even add some money as well here. Okay, if you want, let's go and put some money here. You can add this one as well. Oops, wow. Okay, you can just drag it here like this. So now here, if you will just go here, just you can use this router to move the cursor to wherever you want to. Okay, and you can even use, for example, you want to cut this much part, so just right click, and here you will see split page. Now why split page is important, I will going to tell you that. Okay, now play it. Hi everyone. So hi everyone, now I want to cut it. Right click here on this cursor and split the page. Okay, now you can just delete this, all this thing like this. You can just select, click on delete button on your keyboard, select this, delete. Now you can see that this first page has this graphic. Now you can just go here, okay, and just play it. In this video, we will be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so here it is saying in this video, right? In this video. So here you can again just right click and split the page. Now in the second page, we will going to search for some video type of animation. And here you can see, here you can just put this graphic, okay, which is looking great. Wow, you can just put this graphic, and then here you can just add, let's say this particular one for the YouTube, okay, in this video. Okay, so for in this video we have added this graphic. Now you can just move it here. Now just play from start. Hi everyone, in this video so you can see that hi hello, then in this video, so it is looking very great now. Okay, you can just put your cursor here and you can play it again. We will be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. So here you can see it is saying we will be discussing. So here you can just split it, and here you can say in the place of element, just go to element and just search for discuss. Okay, and then again you will find some kind of graphics which you can use on this. Okay, so for example you can just use, let's say this graphic. Okay, or even if you want, you can use some photos as well if you want. Okay, so you can just, if you want to go with this some photos, you can even do that as well, but I will going to go with this one. Okay, this is a graphic we will be discussing, and then here just take your cursor here, and now how to make money with affiliate marketing. How to make money. Okay, so now it is saying how to make money with. How to make money. So I will again split it, and in this clip of how to make money, which is this one, I will again just search for something called as money. Okay, just search for money, and then you will come up with the photos and graphics as well. But now this time let's go to with photos and select this one, and just right click and click on replace background. Okay, so this is how it will going to replace it. Okay, so even you can, if you want, you can even just drag it like this. Very great. Okay, or you can just drag it completely like this. Wow. Okay, just drag it. Wow, done. Okay, now just play it here with affiliate marketing. Okay, so now just split it, just go here and just search for something called as affiliate marketing. Okay, click on enter, go to graphics, and now here you will see plenty of the thing that is related to affiliate marketing. Okay, you can just choose this graphic for the affiliate marketing, and you can just even add some text as well, which I have told you. Just make it big. Affiliate marketing. Okay, you can just shrink it little bit here like this, and you can just tap here and you can just put it here, and you can just make it big like this. If you want, you can just take some arrow, go to elements, you can also search for some arrow. How to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, you can just make it small, round it here, you can use it for round it like this with affiliate marketing. Okay, so now just play it. Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing. Okay, so it cuts, but when you will export this video, it will not going to cut. Okay, hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing. Okay, don't worry, it will going to be great. Okay, if this problem phase, just delete it. Oops. Okay, if you want, but this is how it will going to work. Okay, with affiliate marketing, like this. Okay, and then again just drag it here like this. Play. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. Okay, so you can just again split it, and you can even add that as a text. So for example, if you're thinking that I can't write anything, so you can also add some text. Affiliate marketing, like this. Okay, and then you can just select this, copy paste by right click, just right click, copy and paste. Okay, great way to make money, like this. Okay, just shrink it here, just select this completely, and you can just change it to yellow color. Okay, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. Okay, earn money, so you can just say earn. So this is how you can just do, and you can just add plenty of graphics, and same you can do to the remaining videos like here. Okay, and this is how you can just create one amazing simple video. And after you do it, you just simply need to go to share, click on download, choose it to mp4 video, and click on download. Okay, let me just choose only this one, or you can just select all of them. Okay, all of them, and just download it. That's it. And now this particular video will be downloaded for you. You can see it is downloading. Okay, so let's wait for it to get download. And now you can see, my friends, this video is downloaded. So just wait for it to download. It will automatically be downloaded, and under your browser here you can see it will be downloaded. Just open it, and here you can see the video which you have created. Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing, okay, like this. So this is how you can even do this thing. Okay, like affiliate marketing. It's a great way to earn money online by promoting. Okay, so you can just add, kind of more graphics here, more graphics you can add. So this is how you can just create videos, and you can just put your graphics there. Okay, so it's that simple. Okay, so what we did, we first created the script with the help of chat gpt. Then we have created the one audio with the help of the methods which I have told you. And then we have downloaded one tool, OpenShot. And then we have also downloaded one background image, and then we have converted it to image to sorry video. And with the help of that video we have put some graphics, and we have created the video for us. And here you can see this is the video. Okay, make money with affiliate marketing, and this is the video which we will going to, hi everyone, upload on YouTube. Okay,